So the amount of times that you need to pump at work really depends on the age of your baby as well as the length of your workday. And so most parents with babies that are at least under the age of 10 or 11 months find that they need to pump roughly about every 2.5 to 3 hours because their baby is still relying on their milk for the bulk of their nutrition. But as your baby gets older, say 10 months, 11 months, 12 months, and is eating a ton of solid foods and really enjoying them multiple times a day, you might find that you can actually skip one of those pumping sessions or drop down to maybe every 4 hours because the amount of milk that your baby's getting per 24 hours is not as high as it was when they were more exclusively relying on your milk.